if 251 base x is equal to 100 base 2, find the value of x. So to find the value of x in this case, what we just need to do, we apply the rules of binary system of counting numbers. Okay, so we'll say 2 times our base x, all right, plus 5 times base x plus 1 times the base of x. Okay, so this will be in bracket. This will be raised to the power of 0, raised to the power of 1, and raised to the power of 2. Okay, then when we're done with this part, we'll attend to this part as well. Okay, so here we have 2 times x raised to the power of 2. X raised to the power of 2 is x squared. All right, so 2 times this will give us 2x squared. Then we'll bring down our plus sign. 5 times x raised to the power 1 of 5 times x raised to the power of 1 is 5x. Okay, then we'll bring down our plus sign. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 here will give us 1. Okay, so now we're done with this part. Now let's attend to this other part of the question, 100 base 2. So we'll express this also according to binary system of counting numbers. Okay, that will be from base 2 to base 10. So we'll have 1 times 0, 1 times 2 rather, times the base of 2, all right, in bracket, plus 0 times the base of 2, plus 0 times the base of 2. All right, this will be raised to the power of 0, raised to the power of 1, raised to the power of 2. Okay, so 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. So 1 times 4 is also 4. So we'll bring it down. We'll bring down our plus sign. Any number times 0 is 0. So we don't need to stress ourselves. Then plus any number times 0 is still 0. All right, so here we have 4 on this side. So we're going to have 2x squared plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 4. So the next thing we're going to do is to collect like terms. Oh, forget to add our 1 here. All right, so we're going to collect like terms. This is already a quadratic equation. All right, so since the quadratic equation, it makes our work very easy. We'll either factorize or use quadratic formula, or we use completing the square method. But in doing that, let's bring down 2x squared plus 5x, all right, plus 1 plus 4 crossed to this side becomes minus 4, and that's equal to 0. Okay, so we'll have 2x squared plus 5x. 1 minus 4 will give us minus 3, and that's equal to 0. So let's take our quadratic equation up. So we'll have 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. All right. So let's factorize this quadratic equation. Okay. In doing that, we'll have what is called the product. We'll have the sum, and we'll now get our factors. All right, for us to get the product, we'll multiply the whole of this times our constant. That is minus 3 times 2x squared. That will give us minus 6x squared. That's our product. Then our sum is plus 5x. All right, plus 5x. Then our factors is what we should look for. We have to look for two numbers such that when we multiply them together, we'll get minus 6x squared. And when we add them together, we'll have 5x. All right, so what are those two numbers? If we look at minus 1 and 6, that should tell us the two numbers, okay? Or minus 6 and 1. So let's check them out. When we add minus 1 plus 6, it will give us 5. Then minus 1 times 6 will give us minus 6. So the two numbers we're looking for are actually minus 1 and 6, and not minus 6 and 1. Okay? So since we have gotten the two numbers, we can add x to them. We'll add x here, we'll add x here. And the reason is because our product and sum are carrying x. So we can say our factors are minus x and 6x. Minus x times 6x will give us minus 6x squared. And minus x plus 6x will give us 5x. All right. So the next thing we'll do is to put these values into our quadratic equation, that is our factors. We'll put them into the quadratic equation. So we'll bring down our 2x squared, all right, then minus x plus 6x, okay, then we'll bring our constant, which is minus 3, and that's equal to 0. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is to begin to factorize what is common between 2x squared and x. The value of x is common, so we can bring out x, open the bracket. So x into 2x squared will have 2x. We bring down our minus sign. X goes into x is 1. So we'll close our bracket. Okay, so what's common between 6x and 3? The value of 3 is common. That means 3 can go in 3 and 3 can go in 6. So we'll bring down our plus 3 out in bracket of 2x. That is 3 into 6x will have 2x. We'll bring down our minus sign, and 3 goes into 3, 1. Okay, and that's equal to 0. So the next thing we're going to do now is to bring out one of the values in the bracket, 2x minus 1, then x plus 3, put that in bracket, is equal to 0. Okay, so 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. All right, so we can now collect like terms by saying 2x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 plus 3 crosses to this side becomes minus 3. So we'll have x here is equal to 1 over 2, or x is equal to minus 3. So the values of x will be equal to 1 over 2 or minus 3. All right. I would like you to follow me if you're watching this for the first time. If you're watching this on TikTok, make sure you follow my account. All right. I'll be so glad to see you do that. And if you're watching this on YouTube, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel at Joe King Math Class. And also follow me on Facebook and also on Instagram at official_Joe King. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like this video.